Hey team, welcome back. In this video, we've written a small SQL program that is going to compute the years, months, and days between the date of birth and the current date. And for my date of birth in this example, notice that I've used GetDate, and then I'm going to add, I'm going to subtract 1 year from that date. So when I execute this set of 28 lines of code, I'm going to get 1 year, 0 months, 0 days. Let's just see that execute, and I'm done. So for instance here, if I hit minus 2 years, I get 2 years. Let's change this up a little bit to make it a little bit more complicated. So now I'm going to take a random date from DateFromParts. I have a video that explains how to use this. And I'm going to put this date into date of birth. And then what I do is from that date of birth, I'm going to get the year, month, and day. I'm going to assign them to local variables. And then using the getDate function, I'm going to get the year, month, and date and assign those to local variables. Notice all those data types are of type int. The first thing we have to do is we have to look at the days. We have to see if the day of the date of birth is greater than the current date's date. And then we modify the current month and the current day accordingly. Then, based on the date of birth's month, if that is greater than the current month, we then modify the year and then add it back to the months. At the very bottom here, you can see that I'm subtracting our two variables, and then I'm casting this number to be varchar 3. And then I'm going to concatenate it with years, and then I do it for the month and the day. So let's execute this, see what happens. 21 years, 4 months, 10 days. So from January the 1st, 2000, we're looking at 21 years, 4 months. Well, let's do something that we can really test here. How about we say 2021, 05, today is the 11th, and I'm going to say the 10th. That should return us 1 day. And how about we say the 1st? And there you have it. We'll see you back in the next video. Hey team, thanks a lot for watching that video. I need to ask you something very humbly now. I'd appreciate if you could leave a comment below. And if this video was informative and it warrants a thumbs up, if you could click that button. But most important, could you show your support and hit the subscribe button? Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you back in my next video.